These massive chainsaws operate on a whole different level, easily handling the mammoth job of felling and processing large timber with unprecedented speed and precision. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible chainsaw moments. Let's get into it. The TMK tree cutting machine is a marvel in action, seamlessly navigating through the forest with precision and speed. With a cutting capacity of up to 500 trees per hour, it showcases remarkable efficiency. The chainsaw machine's precision and cutting power have defined the logging industry, allowing for strategic timber extraction while minimizing environmental impact. The versatility of this machine allows it to process different tree sizes, making it a robust and sustainable solution for forestry management. Seeing it in action is a testament to the combination of technology and environmental responsibility in modern forestry. Still, 881 versus Homelight saws were competing against each other, and Homelight was 0.5 seconds faster. Don't let its old appearance fool you. Its ability to do the job is very effective after being used for 8 years. It's like a wood-cutting monster. It cuts each tree in less than 5 seconds. Chainsaw safety innovations such as anti-kickback protection and chain brakes demonstrate a commitment to user safety, ensuring a safe working environment for the operator. It looks like it cuts this thick piece of wood like it's cutting a banana. The TMK tree cutting machine is a marvel in action, seamlessly slicing through the dense foliage with precision and speed. With a cutting capacity of up to 100 trees per hour, it not only demonstrates efficiency, but also significantly reduces manual labour. "11. Do you know what he is cutting such thin slices of wood for? Please comment to let us know." Still 500i versus Husqvarna 572 XP. Which machine do you think will win? I think no tree can withstand this power. Cleaning up wetlands in the US quickly with this machine is simple. Invasive olive trees take up space and water from surrounding vegetation. They use the TMK 300 to remove those invasive plants and restore the soil to its original vegetation and promote healthy growth again. The TR30 AQ tree feller is considered the most compact and effective device for felling trees in the desired direction. Compact saws make a significant contribution to the construction industry, assisting with tasks such as cutting wood for framing and shaping materials with precision for various construction projects. let's take a look at the cutting ability of the 1965 Homelight XP 1000 chainsaw. The Multi-Grab MR, a trash and tree removal machine, is an extremely efficient multitasking machine. Equipped with advanced cutting technology, the machine processes an impressive speed of 400 trees per hour, showing the efficiency and productivity of the machine. Its streamlined design not only ensures optimal performance, but also minimizes environmental impact, making it a sustainable choice for forestry operations. With advanced technology and techniques, these saws have revolutionized the efficiency and scale of woodworking operations. Their formidable strength allows them to easily cut through large logs, demonstrating not only their outstanding speed, but also their ability to handle different types of wood. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel to support me. See you again in the next video.